Before accepting the payroll, it's critical to carefully review the preview first. Please note that before completing this step, any adjustments that need to be entered within the payroll should be entered first. For more information on adjustments, please see our adjustments video series. To get started with the previewing, click on the preview menu within the main payroll menu. Then click Generate Preview. If any critical warnings appear, you'll need to go back first and address those before you can see this screen. Then you'll want to come back to the page and generate the preview again. Once the preview has been successfully generated, like this is, there's several ways to review the information. First, you can click on an employee's name to view all the information on an individual pay stub. You can also view the gross pay, net pay, and check amount for the employees. The check amount on the far right indicates the physical paper check amount being paid to the employee. If this column is 0, as with this employee, this indicates that the employee is receiving their net pay as 100% direct deposit. You can also search for a specific employee using the search field and then click Go. There's also reports. You can click on the Select Preview Report menu to see a list of available previewing reports. If you're having any trouble running any of these, make sure that any pop-up blockers are turned off. And if you'd like to customize some of these, you can click on the Advanced Reporting link on the right. A pop-up will appear and all the reports are made available. You can then select a report and then make any changes to the report you wish. And then click Create Report. Some of the most common reports include the paid report, the pay at a glance, the preview deduction totals, and the preview earnings register. However, you'll always want to refer to your company's processes and procedures and use any of the preview reports necessary. Scrolling further down, use the payroll summary box on the lower right to view the amount of the employee net pay, vendor payments, tax payments, and Dominion invoice. The bank deposit amount displayed here will show the entire dollar amount required in the bank to fund the payroll. It's also the sum of all the items above it. You may also want to note that there will be multiple withdrawals from the bank account instead of one lump sum withdrawal. Please contact Dominion Systems with any questions on this. To the left of the payroll summary section, you'll see any warnings displayed here. Payroll may not have warnings, so if this section's empty, there's no warnings to display. If there are warnings, however, these warnings are not critical warnings that will prevent payroll from being processed. However, they're always important to review. Each warning will be categorized into different sections. You can click on the arrow on the right or on the warning category to expand and collapse the warnings. Use the information here to correct any issues that might need correcting. The most common warning on the screen is employees who are active and not being paid in this payroll. Finally, it's important to know that you can still go back at any point and make changes to the employee records, the pay data grid, or anything else. After making changes like that, you'll need to come back to the preview screen and click the Generate Preview button again. Once you're satisfied with the preview, you'll scroll to the bottom, enter your 4-digit PIN, and accept the preview. Congratulations, you've just processed your payroll. You'll be redirected to the post-processing dashboard. Please make sure to watch the last video in this series, which will cover check printing and other post-processing activities.